Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Martille Mets ang Chichi Titans 25-19, 25-20, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Renz Cruz sa likod ng kanang 10 points mula sa 6 attacks, 2 blocks at 2 aces. Panalo naman ang Venus Griffins kontra sa The Navigators Iloilo 25-22, 16-25, 25-19, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Kenneth Dainata sa likod ng kanyang 18 points mula sa 12 attacks, 5 blocks at 1 ace na may kasamang 5 digs at 10 excellent receptions. Wagi naman ang Chris Cross King Crunchers kontra sa FEO Dennis Steele 22-25, 25-20, 25-20, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Gian Glorioso sa likod ng kanyang 14 points mula sa 10 attacks at 4 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of November 18, 2024. FEO Dennis Steele 6 wins, 1 loss, 16 points. Chris Cross King Crunchers 5 wins, 1 loss, 16 points. Signal HD Spikers 5 wins, 1 loss, 15 points. Ecoel Lasal 4 wins, 1 loss, 12 points. PGGC Navy Sea Lions 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Savods Spain Doctors 4 wins, 2 losses, 11 points. Venice Griffins 3 wins, 4 losses, 10 points. Martille Mets 1 win, 6 losses, 4 points. The Navigators Iloilo 1 win, 6 losses, 2 points. Chichi Titans 0 win, 8 losses, 1 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 22, 2024 na gaganapin sa Inares Sports Arena. Magtutos ang Ecoel Lasal at FEO Dennis Steele alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Signal HD Spikers at Venice Griffins alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.